In this video, we're going to compare two linear functions. So let's read what we have here. The functions below describe the temperature for two locations in degrees Fahrenheit. Which function has the greater rate of change? What does that mean in this situation? All right, what does it all mean? Isn't that what we all want to know? In Hoopleville, at 8 a.m., the temperature was 62 degrees. Between 8 p.m. and noon, the temperature increased by 3 degrees per hour. All right, so at 8 o'clock in the morning, the temperature was 62 degrees. Between 8 p.m. and noon, the temperature increased by 3 degrees per hour. I'm going to say that this is a mistake, and that's actually supposed to be between 8 a.m. and noon, because I don't think it would have been increasing between 8 p.m. and noon. All right, so the temperature increased by 3 degrees per hour. In other words, what's going on here? Well, it sounds like that the initial value is going to be 62 degrees. That's what the temperature started at 8 a.m. And then the temperature increased by 3 degrees per hour. In Yahoo Town, it looks like the temperature equaled 54 plus 2h, where T is the temperature and h is the number of hours since 8 a.m. All right, so our initial value would be 54. And it looks like our rate of change is 2 degrees per hour. So I'm actually going to rewrite this. To me, this would be the same as T equals 2h plus 54. And I rewrote that so that this was more of in the y equals mx plus b form. And here, it looks like the temperature is going to equal, what did we say here? It increased by 3 degrees per hour, pardon me, and it started at 62 degrees. All right, and then the real question here is, what does this all mean? Well, what it all means is if the temperature is increasing 3 degrees an hour here and 2 degrees an hour here, it is clearly getting warmer in Hoopleville faster than it is in Yahoo Town. So if you like warm weather, head on over to Hoopleville. And just to be painfully clear, what it really means is that Hoopleville has a greater rate of change than Yahoo Town. And that's often how these types of questions are asked.